Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Tonight, I want to shout out the Ghost backpack. As we are hopefully getting back to traveling again soon, this is a great purchase to make that's going to keep you safe in all of your travels. This backpack is designed with your safety in mind to keep you safe from pickpocketers or anyone that may be trying to get into your stuff. This is going to be made of super thick material. It's going to keep anyone from cutting into it, and the zippers and compartments are all going to be tucked away, so there's no easy access points for the main compartment. However, you have easy access points on the front straps that are kind of hidden away as well, to where if you need to keep, credit card or passport or something handy, you can do that. This backpack is also going to keep you really, really organized. It has lots of organizational compartments, as well as a case specifically for your, or compartment specifically for your sunglasses. So this is going to keep you organized. It opens 180 degrees, so you really can get a full layout of what you have going on, see all of your stuff. It makes packing really easy, so you can get a visual look of, what you have, what you might have forgotten. So really, really easy to pack and good on the go. This is also going to be probably your number one anti-theft backpack if you have a larger laptop. This has a 6-point mesh design that's going to keep your laptop safe, and it fits laptops up to 15.6-inch display screens, so larger laptops. And a lot of these anti-theft backpacks are a little bit on the smaller size and may not fit a larger screen. So if that's you and you have a larger screen laptop, this is definitely going to be your choice. Plus, this backpack looks great. It's made out of really nice materials. It's going to be weather resistant, so if you do have to wear this and you're out in the rain, you just can have that added layer of protection. Keep all of your gear safe. This is, just an amazing backpack, and it's going to make your travel that much better. You guys put this in your cart and safe travels.